2.
Quiet on the set. All right, here we go.
Action.
All right, so here's the deal. This is 4th of July vending set. I took a risk. Hopefully, I get some really cool stuff. I don't know what it is right now, but we're all going to find out here on
Hot Wheels CollectorsHawaii.com.
Yay!
Oh, it's a 4th of July chase vending set. So it's
You see?
guaranteed to be a chase.
Yeah, so that's how we do it. Correct each other live on air, Bob. So.
Oh, and we do have a live studio audience.
Yes. Okay, so this one get foam, Bob. This way.
Yeah, they always bring the foam. That's okay. You know what? The last time the foam covered the golden ticket. So.
Oh, that's right. That's right.
I want foam now.
Okay. So it's M2s, bro. Yeah. What is this?
Oh, it's a Camaro.
Ooh, 750. And it's a Camaro. It's got to be on 70. Yep, 1970. You see that?
Yep.
All right, put that right there. Look at that. Look at that. Get that number right there.
750 pieces.
Oh, ding, ding, ding. Look at that. Toy Con.
Nice.
Wow.
Are you going to open that?
Probably not. Nah, I don't know. Ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh!
Let's see it. Oh, wow. Is that another 70?
No.
69?
And this one is 250.
Wow.
Oh!
It's a green machine.
Yeah, it is another 70. Wow.
Is that a green machine? 250?
Yeah, 250. Both of them, bro. No, one is 750. I believe it is.
Wow. But
Wow.
that is a good.
Oh, I think this is a good buy, bro.
That is a good one.
Wow, I cannot complain on these two, bro. Look at that. Oh, my gosh. The box is kind of ripped, but I'm not even going to trip. You know what I mean? Get a small tear on the box right over here. You see that?
Yeah.
But main thing, the casting and everything is good. For 250 pieces, I'm all G with that now.
And it's a Toy Con model.
Yep. Oh, wow.
The biggest Toy Con.
So,
We gotta go to that Toy Con one.
yes, we do. We really do. Wait, let me go check, see if I got a gold ticket. Ooh, 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 ooh. Nah, no more nothing. So,
I was like, oh, if you got one for 2 pulls.
somebody been on bad.
I got mine, that one there, with 10 pulls.
Yeah, that was 10 pulls and more money. Okay, so we're done with this. I am definitely happy with both of these. Yep, I am stoked. I have 2. I'm probably gonna open this one anyway because it's torn open already. So, this is the 4th of July chase vending. Yep. So I'm cool, bro. I'm good to go. So we're done here. Like and subscribe. And mucho mahalos for all you guys checking us out all the time. Big ups going out to John and JR in the audience today. Thanks for coming by, guys. We appreciate that. There, his hand over there. There, his hand right over there. That's JR's hand. So, don't forget now, we are always
Hot Wheels CollectorsHawaii.com.
all day, brother, all day.